In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that you need to follow the economic news around the world. So yesterday I mentioned about the Bank of Canada cutting the rate, the prime rate. Today, if you follow the news, European Central Bank announced the same. So they cut the rate by 25 points, and they did it for the first time since 2019. Pretty much they didn't need to do it during the pandemic, because the economy was so bad, the prime was so low, so they didn't have to do it back in 2020. So why is it important? Now it puts pressure on the United States to maybe do the same, to maybe cut their prime rate. They announced the schedule for the next week. To be honest, I don't think it's going to happen yet because the inflation in the United States is still above 3%. So most likely they're going to sit on the sideline. But it still puts some pressure on them. It's still the largest economy in the world, and all other countries are looking at the United States, and they might follow the suit if they do lower the rate. Just to show the importance of the rate cut, I'll just give you an example of one of our projects. So there's a self-storage facility we closed 2 weeks ago, and it's not a super large project for the developer we work with, but it's still a $18 million deal, and he took a loan of $12 million. So based on the current rate that he got of prime plus 0.5%, which is around 9% annual, for the loan of $12 million, he needs to pay $1,080,000 every year, just in interest. But if the United States or the Feds are going to cut the rate by just 25 points, the annual payment is going to drop by $30,000 a year. Think about a saving of $30,000 a year for a project which is a medium size. Now think about any large project, any huge condo or huge community rental of 300 units that they're building. So lowering the rates might impact the economy in a good way, not just the people like you and me, people looking to buy homes, but the large builders, the large developers, they must start moving. So it's a good sign. Let's see what happens next. And again, follow the news and to your success.